we'll guide you through how to create a Google Drive sheet. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, look for the colorful plus sign labeled New on the top left corner of the screen and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, showing various options. From this menu, hover over Google Sheets, and you'll see two options: blank spreadsheet and from a template. Click on blank spreadsheet to create a new, empty sheet. If you prefer to use a template for specific needs, you can click from a template and choose from the available options like budget, calendar, or to-do list templates. Once your new Google Sheet opens, you'll see a grid layout with rows and columns, similar to a spreadsheet. You can start entering your data directly into the cells. If you want to rename the sheet, click on Untitled Spreadsheet at the top left corner and type in your desired name. To share the sheet with others, click the Share button on the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share it with, and set their permissions to view, comment, or edit. Remember, all changes you make are automatically saved in Google Drive, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create and customize a Google Drive sheet. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.